This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for beginners. First, understand that Figma is a fantastic, collaborative design tool, perfect for user interface and user experience work. The best part? It runs entirely in your web browser, so there's no need to download or install anything. Simply head to the Figma website, sign up for a free account, and you'll be ready to dive into your first design project. Let's get familiar with the Figma interface. On the left, you'll find the sidebar, which helps you manage your layers, assets, and different pages within your file. The top toolbar is where you'll access core tools such as frames, various shapes, and text options. Over on the right, the sidebar dynamically shows the properties and design settings for whatever element you currently have selected on your canvas. Now, let's create your first design. Select the Frame tool from the top toolbar to define your canvas. Think of it as the screen for your design, perhaps a mobile phone or a tablet. Next, add some basic shapes and text elements to start building out your layout. Don't forget to use the alignment and distribution tools to ensure everything is perfectly positioned and looks neat and professional. Finally, let's talk about sharing and exporting your work. Figma makes collaboration incredibly easy. You can share your file with teammates for real-time feedback and joint editing. When your design is ready, you can export individual assets or entire frames in multiple formats, including PNG, JPG, or SVG, perfect for developers. Before you go, make sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.